I just spent 12 hours reading Stanford's 500-page AI index report so you don't have to. And honestly, I wish someone had warned me about what I was about to discover, because buried in all that data are 5 revelations that will fundamentally change how you think about your career. And if you're watching this right now, there's a good chance your job is mentioned somewhere in this report. Let's dive in. For those who don't know, Stanford's AI Index is basically the gold standard for understanding AI's impact on the real world. Every year, researchers analyze thousands of data points across industries, countries, and job markets. This isn't some tech bro prediction video. This is cold, hard data about what's actually happening right now. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 most critical insights about jobs and AI from this year's report. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll see your career path differently. Let's start with the insight that surprised me the most. Here's something that kept me up last night. The career advice you got 5 years ago? It's already obsolete. Check this out. AI-related job postings aren't just growing. They're exploding at 4 times the rate of traditional roles. We're talking machine learning engineers, AI ethicists, data annotators, and yes, people are getting paid 6 figures to write prompts. Let that sink in. But here's the dark side. While these new jobs are appearing, entire categories are quietly disappearing. Data entry clerks, basic customer service reps, routine administrative roles. The Stanford report shows these positions declining by double digits year over year. Think of it like this. Imagine you're on a career ladder, climbing steadily upward. But while you're climbing, someone's literally removing the rungs beneath you and installing a completely different ladder next to you. The question isn't whether this is happening. The question is, are you on the right ladder? But wait, because this next part challenges everything we've been told about AI and jobs. So here's where it gets weird. AI doesn't always mean fewer jobs. Sometimes it actually creates more. And the difference comes down to one crucial factor. Stanford discovered something fascinating, a paradox that's shaping the entire future of work. In call centers, companies deploy AI chatbots. Costs drop 40%. Headcount drops 30%. Jobs vanish. Simple math, right? But look at healthcare. Doctors use AI diagnostic tools. They see more patients, faster diagnoses, better outcomes, and guess what? Hospitals are hiring more doctors, not fewer. The pattern is crystal clear. When AI replaces humans, jobs disappear. When AI empowers humans, jobs multiply. So if you're in a role where AI does your job for you, you need to watch your back. But if you're in a role where AI makes you 10 times more effective at what only humans can do, you're about to become incredibly valuable. The radiologist who uses AI to analyze scans faster? Safe. The radiologist who refuses to adapt? Endangered. Which category are you in? And here's something most people don't realize. Your geography might matter just as much as your skills. Where you live could be the difference between thriving in the AI economy or being left behind entirely. The Stanford report revealed something uncomfortable. AI opportunity is not distributed equally. The U.S. leads in AI research, funding, and hiring, especially hubs like San Francisco, Seattle, and New York. If you're there, you're in the fast lane. China is scaling AI implementation faster than anyone else, transforming entire industries overnight. Europe is playing catch-up, focused more on regulation than innovation. And Africa and Latin America? The report shows they're falling further behind, which could create a massive global inequality gap in the next decade. But here's the silver lining for remote workers. You don't have to physically be in Silicon Valley anymore. You can live in Mexico City or Lagos or Bangkok and still work for the companies building the future. The catch? You need to be visible to them. Which brings us to the most important question. What skills actually protect you in this new world? If you're worried about job security, pay close attention to this, because Stanford just gave us the blueprint. The report breaks down future-proof skills into 3 categories, and you need at least one from each. First, technical AI skills, prompt engineering, data science, machine learning fundamentals. You don't need to be a PhD researcher, but you cannot be AI illiterate anymore. Basic AI fluency is becoming like Excel in the 90s. If you don't have it, you're behind. Second, irreplaceable human skills, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, creativity, complex problem solving. These are the things AI genuinely struggles with. If your job is pure empathy, pure creativity, or pure strategic thinking, you're in a strong position. Third, hybrid skills. This is the sweet spot. Finance analysts who use AI for forecasting, marketers who leverage AI for insights but craft human-centered campaigns, designers who use AI tools but bring artistic vision. The Stanford data is unambiguous. The highest-paid, most in-demand professionals are hybrid workers, people who combine human judgment with AI superpowers. Your new resume strategy? Don't just list what you can do. Show how you've worked with AI to deliver results. That's the signal employers are scanning for. Which brings us to the final insight, and it's the one that changed my entire perspective. Stanford's final conclusion is both terrifying and liberating at the same time. Here's the bottom line from the report. AI is not coming. It's already here. It's already as foundational as the internet itself. This isn't a trend. This isn't a phase. This is a permanent transformation of how work happens. Jobs won't be killed by AI. They'll be redefined by it. Some careers will disappear. Others will transform beyond recognition. And millions of entirely new roles will emerge that we can't even imagine yet. Think about this. In 2005, social media manager didn't exist. In 2015, cloud architect barely existed. In 2025, we're seeing AI ethicist and prompt engineer become legitimate career paths. The winners in this new era won't be the people who resist AI, and they won't be the AI models themselves. The winners will be humans who master the skill of working with intelligent machines, human creativity amplified by machine efficiency. That's the future, and it's not decades away. It's happening right now. So here's my challenge to you after reading this entire Stanford report. Ask yourself, am I climbing the old ladder or the new one? Is AI replacing me or empowering me? Am I building hybrid skills or ignoring the shift entirely? Because the data is clear. The job market is splitting into two groups, those who adapt to AI and those who get replaced by it. The good news? You're watching this video, which means you're already paying attention. You're already ahead of most people. If this video gave you clarity or scared you into action, hit that like button. And if you want me to break down more reports like this, subscribe because I'm just getting started. Drop a comment and tell me, what skill are you going to develop first? I read every single one. Thanks for watching. Now go build your AI-proof career.